friends! Today we're going to make easy and yummy white chocolate covered oatmeal cookies. Let's get started. First, in a medium bowl, put flour, cinnamon, baking soda, and a pinch of salt, and mix together the dry ingredients. In a large bowl, put butter, white sugar, and brown sugar. Use a hand mixer to cream them for 2 to 3 minutes. Add an egg and continue mixing for 1 minute. Add vanilla extract and mix for another minute. Once that's looking good, we'll gradually mix in our dry ingredients, adding half of the dry ingredients at a time. Just keep mixing until everything nicely combined. Now for the fun part, let's add the oats. Make sure they're thoroughly mixed in. Once that's done, we'll cover the bowl and pop the dough in the fridge to chill for at least an hour. When you're ready to bake, preheat your oven. Now let's take our chilled dough and roll it into walnut-sized balls. Place these balls about 2 inches apart on your prepared cookie sheets. Flatten each cookie slightly and gently round up the cookie edges. Now let's bake them for 10 minutes. In the meantime, melt the white chocolate chips using a microwave. Start for 10 seconds and then stir the white chocolate. Repeat this several times until the white chocolate is fully melted. It usually takes 3 to 5 times. After baking, spread the white chocolate on top of each cookie and add your favorite royal icing decorations. Let the cookies cool on the sheet for 5 minutes before transferring them to the wire rack to cool completely. And there you have it. Delicious homemade cookies are ready to enjoy.